we'll guide you through how to find a DaVinci Resolve promo code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and search for DaVinci Resolve promo codes for the current year, 2025 or 2026. You'll want to focus on reputable coupon websites like RetailMeNot, Honey, or Coupons.com, which regularly update and verify their offers. Once you're on one of these sites, use the search bar to enter DaVinci Resolve. After that, browse through the listed promo codes. Pay close attention to the details and expiration dates to ensure they are still valid. Often, these sites will show user ratings or comments that can indicate if a promo code is working or not. If you find a code that looks promising, copy it. Then, visit Blackmagic Design's official website where you can purchase DaVinci Resolve. During the checkout process, there will be a field to enter your promo code. Paste your code there and make sure it applies successfully before completing your purchase. If the code doesn't work, go back and try another one. It's always a good idea to keep checking these coupon sites regularly, as new promo codes can appear frequently. This process can help you save some money on your purchase. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.